Hello everyone. I am Jamie. I am a children's librarian with Tacoma Public Library, and I'm here today to show you how to use BookFlix. BookFlix is a fantastic database that the library has here for you, and you can read, watch, and listen to storybooks. They also have paired activities and a paired nonfiction title as well. You can access BookFlix with your library card. You can also access BookFlix with your Tacoma Public School District student ID number. The first step to get to BookFlix is to visit our website, tacomalibrary.org. When you are on our webpage, you'll go up here to the top where it says Online Library. You'll click that, and there's several ways you can get there, but I'm going to show you how to get there from using the K through 12 Homework Center. This link has a lot of excellent resources all in one spot that are great for elementary school students. BookFlix is right up here at the top. So I'm going to go ahead and click BookFlix. It will prompt you to log in. This is where you'll type in your library card number or your student ID number. Now you have the choice to just start BookFlix or skip the intro. I'm going to skip the intro right now. You are welcome to watch that at any time you'd like. It just has a little introduction that tells you a little bit about it, but that's what I'm here for today. So I'm going to go ahead and skip the intro.
Click on a category or click on the feature to begin.
And this takes you straight here to BookFlix. There's lots of categories that you can browse for different titles. I'm going to go ahead and show you the featured pair. That is Scaredy Squirrel with a nonfiction book about squirrels. I'm sharing this one because, well, I love Scaredy Squirrel. So when I saw this was a featured pair, I was very excited about that. But you are welcome to explore any of these other categories. It also talks when you hover over it, so that can help with early reading skills as well. So then when we go here,
Animals
you'll
and
see
nature.
Animals and nature, and it will, some of the things will talk. But anyways, I'm going to go back here, and we're going to click
on the feature to begin.
The featured pair. So here I'm going to go ahead and just a simple click will start it. Here you can see what we have available. You can watch the story or read the paired nonfiction title. There's also lots of activities here to the side that are lots of fun. I'm going to go ahead and show you how the story works. We're not going to watch the whole story together, but I'll just get started for you. And I'll point out a couple neat features. So I'm just going to go ahead and click Watch the Story. One neat feature is this read along option. If you have this selected, it will have the subtitles under it as well, so that everything that is said you can read as well.
Scaredy Squirrel. Scaredy Squirrel. Scaredy Squirrel.
And you'll see they make it really fun. They animate the pictures, but they are using the exact same illustrations that you would see in the print book. I'll go ahead and fast forward a smidgen.
His nut tree. He'd rather stay in his safe and familiar tree than risk venturing out into the unknown.
You can also change the speed that it's read.
The unknown can be a scary place for a squirrel.
A few things scare.
That sounds a little funny, doesn't it? So if you're done watching that story, you can then read the nonfiction book. This one is Squirrels, and it also has that same read-along feature so that you can see. And right here it tells you there's no audio for this page.
Squirrels are rodents. They live in grasslands, forests, and deserts.
So you do get to be the one to decide when to turn to the next page. And there is an occasional word that is highlighted. That's going to link you to a dictionary.
Rodents. Animals such as mice, rats, and squirrels that have large front teeth.
So I had to click this picture of the ear in order for it to read that to me. You can also slow down the reading. On this one, you can't speed it up. Just default and then slower.
Big bushy tails help squirrels balance when they climb trees.
You can also zoom in, drag it around, and then click Fit to make it go back to its regular size. There's also a full screen use button right here as well. Now when you're done exploring that book, there's some fun puzzles. There's a word match.
Below. Click on the word it matches. Match all the words to uncover a picture.
To chew or bite on.
Okay, let's see if we can figure this one out.
Gnaw.
Nice work.
There we go.
Long, sharp nails on the toes of animals and birds. Claw.
Nice work.
Animals such as mice, rats, and squirrels that have large front teeth.
Nice work.
Holes in the ground made by animals.
Nice work.
To stay steady and not fall.
Nice work.
Animals that hunt other animals for food.
Nice work.
Read the sentence below. Is it fact or fiction? Click on a button to give your answer.
Squirrels are afraid of germs.
Now, as you can see, here's another fun puzzle, fact or fiction. Squirrels are afraid of germs. Well, I know Scaredy Squirrel is, but a real one I don't think is. So I'm going to say fiction.
Nice work.
Squirrels climb trees.
That one's a fact.
Nice work.
Squirrels eat nuts.
That's a fact.
Nice work.
Squirrels use parachutes.
Well, that's really neat. That's fiction.
Nice work.
Look at these 3 pictures. What happened first? Drag that picture to the yellow box.
Here's another fun activity that comes with this book. So we can do first, next, and last. And it will tell you if you got things wrong. Oh, and there we got it right.
Read the clue below. Click on the word it matches. Match all the words to...
Now, once you're finished playing those fun games, there's a way here for you to dive deeper. If you do explore the web, it has related website links. There's also Meet the Creators. This will actually take you to the creator's website. So if you were to click this one right here, it takes you directly to Melanie Watt's webpage. Now I'm going to go ahead and go back here to Animals and Nature.
Animals and Nature.
And then we
Click
can
on a category.
go back to BookFlix.
Or click on the feature to begin.
And you can see all of the other fun activities as well.
People and Places.
Click on a category. Or click on the feature.
Family and Community.
You'll see that there's all sorts of titles here that we can have fun
Family
with.
and Community. Family and Community.
There's also an option on several of these titles to have them available in Spanish.
¿Cómo se curan los dinosaurios?
I'm going to go back
Click
to our
on a
BookFlix
category.
homepage here.
Or click on the feature to begin.
So as you can see, BookFlix has lots of educational options for everybody. has lots of fun stories, fun interactive games that all have educational value, and this can be fun for the whole family to do together. If you have any questions about BookFlix or any of our other databases, please feel free to give us a phone call at our main number, 253-292-2001, and we will be happy to assist you with any questions that you may have. Feel free to also visit us on our website, tacomalibrary.org. If you go to our TPL Now feature, you can find out all about our services and find other ways to contact us as well. So thank you very much for listening today, and I hope that you enjoy BookFlix.